Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anissa if you're new here. In this vlog, we are doing a prep with me for vacation. So I'm actually going to Mexico City in about 3 days. I'm going for a destination wedding and I'm so excited. My first destination wedding ever. We are going to spend this time prepping. We're going to be doing an everything shower. We're going to wash these locks. We're going to do nails. And just like I'll show you guys just me packing for this trip and the things that I pretty much pack whenever I go on vacation. But yeah, first it is actually Sunday. So I'm starting off with a wash day and a retwist. Without further ado, let's get right into washing this hair. Okay, just got out of the shower. I'm going to start twisting my hair. I use Pure Hair Solution product #1 braiding gel. So it's called. I get it from like my local beauty supply. So using this, I'll also use the Talia Wahid leave-in conditioner. I pretty much just spray this all over my hair. So yeah. Okay, just finished my retwist. Took me about 2 hours, but just finished. Is how it turned out. So next I'm going to set under the dryer for about 30 minutes or so and let my hair dry. Let me know in the comments what type of like maintenance prep girl you are. Are you a girl that like gets everything done, like lashes, waxes, everything from someone else, or are you a DIY girl? Because honestly, I used to be the girl that would like pay for everything to get done, like my nails and lashes, everything. But now I'm like, in this economy, I'm like, baby, we got the salon at home. We got the hairdresser, literally. Hairdresser is at home. So I don't know, I'm like, I like the process of like learning how to do it by myself and not relying on like other people, but also I do miss just like every once in a while just like getting pampered and like getting taken care of and whatnot. But in this era of my life, I have been a DIY girly. So it's currently March 13th. So actually I leave tomorrow for my trip. I have a couple of things I still need to do. I still need to pack. I still need to do my nails, which I'm about to do right now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys things that I use for my nails because that is also DIY. So I use the Professional Gel Polish UV LED nail dryer lamp. I got this from Amazon. I got everything from Amazon, so this will all be linked down below. But I use this. I'll show you guys really quick. So I use this. The nails that I'm putting on, because I've recently become a press-on nail girly. The nails that I'm putting on are these X-Coat Tips 3-in-1 soft gel. I think my cousin put me on this, but I'll be using this like French tip almond shaped press-on nails. I also use this cuticle pusher, and I also use, let me see, this clear coat. This from Sally Nails or just any like local beauty supply. I also use this Blue Cross cuticle remover to remove my cuticles, and I use this as my nail prep dehydrator. I also use this nail bond glue. It's the NYK Professional Super Strong Nail Bond. This is what I use. But ever since I've been doing press-on nails, like the beginning of this year, like my nails last a long time. Like they last at least 3 weeks. And the reason why I take them off is because they just don't look as neat, but I feel like it can last a long time, longer than 3 weeks, even just with this glue. So definitely recommend all these products if you want your nails, your press-on nails to last long. The Blue Cross cuticle remover or any cuticle remover, this pushing back your cuticles. So all of these combined, I feel like really help keep your press-on nails lasting for a really long time. So making sure that you have a dehydrating oil, cuticle pusher, cuticle remover, and a really good nail glue will make it last a long time. But it will all be linked in my Amazon storefront below, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my nails. Okay, so I finished my nails. This is how it came out. I have my suitcase here that I need to go ahead and start opening up so I can begin to start packing. I'm only gonna be gone for like the weekend, like Thursday to Sunday, so I don't have to pack that much. I have my wedding outfit. I have my what's honestly the biggest priority is the wedding outfit, but I know we're gonna do other things outside of the wedding day, so I want to make sure I have enough clothes for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing now. If you put your suitcase on your bag, I'm judging you. I have these like travel packs that I got from Amazon about a year ago. Super convenient for keeping your things in like one place, but they come with I think 7 different packs. It's like a lot of stuff in here. Comes with, this is like the biggest one. Then there's this one. There's a thing for like your dirty clothes. Honestly, I feel like it's not big enough, but there's that. And then they also have one for your bathroom stuff. So I put all my bathroom things in this one. I leave all my travel things from like the last trip onto this one, so like everything is still kind of in here. But yeah, it has like different sections. So where I put like my disinfectant wipes, I put like my floss and like small things, but they're all like separated, which I like. Again, this will all be linked in my Amazon storefront, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Just finished packing everything. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I feel like whenever I feel like, well, this trip I'm not gonna pack as much, I still end up packing too much. And I'm like, I don't even know what that is. Anyway, but I'm excited for this trip and I'm definitely gonna vlog it. So stay tuned for next week's vlog of the Mexico trip. But yeah, that is it for this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for another video next week. Bye.